Let's learn how to connect Mobile Legend with TikTok. First, let's open Mobile Legend app, and when you do it, click on the Your Profile picture icon in top left corner of the screen. After that, look in the left side of the screen and you can see a bar section where you need to click on the last option called Account. That will send you on this Account Settings menu where you need to click on TikTok account. Mobile Legend app opens to you a little pop-up menu where you need to enter your 6-digit secondary password, and when you enter it, confirm it by clicking on OK. Now you can see rules and what you get when you connect Mobile Legend. Now you need to click on yellow button where is written Accept. Mobile Legend send you on TikTok where you need to click on Continue button in the bottom right corner of the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.